after this caterpillar stage, this caterpillar feeds on the leaves and then finally it develops into a hard shell-like structure. This is called pupa. And finally, from this pupa, after 2 to 3 weeks, one small butterfly will come out. Okay, and then this butterfly, after this maturity, it will lay eggs again and the same cycle will be repeated. This is the life cycle of butterfly. So caterpillar is nothing but the larva stage of the butterfly. Okay, so butterfly lays eggs and from these eggs caterpillars develops, and caterpillar after feeding on the leaves then it develops into pupa, that is nothing but hard shell, and after 2 to 3 weeks again it develops into butterfly. This is the life cycle of butterfly. So why I am saying these all things for you? Because today we are going to learn a poem about the caterpillar. Okay, so caterpillar is the larva of butterfly. Okay, don't think that caterpillar is different and butterfly is different. This is also the larva stage of the butterfly. Okay, that is the reason I want to show you how the caterpillar is developed. Okay children, now let us read the poem. Where is the caterpillar? I am going to read the poem. Please repeat after me. Where is the caterpillar hiding today? I looked under the table, I looked on the chair, I looked out the window, but he was not there. So, I am going to read again. Please repeat after me. Where is the caterpillar hiding today? I looked under the table, I looked on the chair, I looked out the window, but it was not there. And second stanza. Where is the caterpillar hiding today? I looked in the fish bowl, I looked in the sink, I looked on the tree, I looked around the flowers. What did I see? A beautiful butterfly looking at me. I'm going to read again. Please repeat after me. Where is the caterpillar hiding today? I looked in the fish bowl, I looked in the sink, I looked on the tree, I looked around the flowers. What did I see? A beautiful butterfly looking at me. So here is a little boy. He is searching for the caterpillar. So what he is searching for? He is searching for the caterpillar. One day he saw a green caterpillar crawling on the floor. So the next day he was searching. Where is the butterfly or where is the caterpillar hiding today? Because he has seen it yesterday and today he wants to find out where is the caterpillar. So what he is telling, wherever he looked under the table. Under the table. Under means what? Down. He looked down the table. Under the table. And where else he looked? He looked on the chair. He looked on the chair. And next, he looked out the window. Out the window. Outside of the window. But did he find it? No. He could not find. So, it was not there. He was not there. So, he looked under the table, he looked on the chair, he looked out the window, but he could not find the butterfly. And let us see where else he find. Where is the caterpillar hiding today? I looked in the fish bowl. I looked in the fish bowl, inside the fish bowl, and he could not find it. I looked in the sink. In the sink. There also he could not find. I looked on the tree, but there also he could not find. I looked around the flowers. There also he could not find. So finally what did he see? He saw a beautiful butterfly looking at him. So what did he mean by this? That means the caterpillar had developed into butterfly. Yesterday he saw the caterpillar, But today he was searching here and there, but he could not find it. So what he is telling here, instead of the caterpillar, he saw a beautiful butterfly. It was looking at that boy, little boy. So that caterpillar, after few days, it developed into butterfly. Okay, the beautiful butterfly came from the caterpillar. Okay, so where else he looked? He looked under the table. He looked on the chair. He looked out the window, but he could not find. And he looked in the fish bowl. He looked in the sink. And he looked on the tree. He looked around the flowers. So here in this poem, you can see what is the meaning of sink. Sink is nothing but where our mothers washes plates and all, used plates and all. Our mothers, she will wash, right? So that place is the sink. So sink is nothing but a basin used for washing hands, washing face or utensils. So we used to wash our hands, we used to wash our face, and utensils. Utensils are nothing but used plates and all. Okay, so these all the things can be washed in the sink. So here there are so many prepositions used in this poem. Prepositions are nothing but they are talking about the positions of the things. For example, under, on, out, around, in the fish bowl, in the sink, on the tree, around the flowers. So these are all prepositions. So that means they are telling about the position of the object, the position of the caterpillar. On the table, under the table, on the chair, on the tree, around the flowers. Okay, and in the sink, in the fish bowl. Okay, so these are all prepositions. That means they are telling about the places. They are telling about the position of the objects. Okay, children, do you understand? So this little boy, he was searching for the caterpillar. Yesterday he saw it on the table. Yesterday he saw it under the table. And he saw it out the window. Everywhere he saw it. But today he could not find. Because that caterpillar has developed into the beautiful butterfly. Okay. So now you understood from where the butterflies are coming. Right? Butterfly lays eggs and these eggs are developed into caterpillar. This caterpillar is in green color. After feeding on the leaves and all, it develops into a pupa, and after 2-3 weeks again it develops into the butterfly. Beautiful butterfly. We all know that beautiful butterflies flying here and there, but we don't know the stages of the butterfly. Eggs, caterpillar and pupa. We might have seen caterpillar, we might have seen butterfly, but we don't know from the caterpillar butterfly is coming. Right? Okay, children? I hope you understood. Okay, children? Now let us see the following exercises. First one, complete the following sentences. The child looked for the caterpillar. Where he looked? Under the table. Dash the chair. On the chair. On the chair. Dash the window. Out the window. And dash the sink and fish bowl. In the sink. In the sink and fish bowl. Dash the flowers. Around the flowers. Around the flowers. So children, these are all the prepositions used in this poem. Under, on, out, in, around. These are all the prepositions used in the poem. That means they are telling about the positions of the objects, positions of the things. That means position of the caterpillar. Before it was under the table, on the chair, out the window, in the sink, around the flowers.